Inflewence here, and today we're going to talk about Liokaiser, which is the new HasLab that they released yesterday, I believe, or the day before. I can't remember. Time is just melding together. Yeah, I'm not too connected with Liokaiser. I know it's, I think the Master Force, or I don't know. See, I don't even know that. I didn't really do any research on Liokaiser. I know he's a beloved character and a lot of people, he's popular. I saw some people asking why they didn't do some of the other characters. I guess he's more popular than most of them. So I guess there's that. I don't know. But we're going to go through the HasLab video and then talk about some stuff while we're watching the video. But also, I'll probably talk about some stuff after the video as well. So let's just watch the video and let's discuss.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
So yeah, you got the combined 6-in-1. We already know that. And then they show some of the cartoon that I've never seen. And here you go, got the subscribe. I don't know. I'm not gonna butcher their names. There's some chunky boys though. These guys look pretty good, but then when you start getting into the other guys, they are some chunkalicious. And I know this is a Chug-scale cabiner. I think it's gonna be 12 inches, which is crazy. It's short. Yeah, these guys right here, they are chunkalicious. Them big boys. They some big boys, but I think it's because of the combine mode. Like most of these companies, I mean, even third-party companies do it most of the time. The combine form is what you want. So here's the combine mode. Show some more cartoons. Got the chest force combiner. So they need 10,000 backers by March 24th. And this is an unlockable. You get it. Let me know. I don't know how I feel. I know how I feel about the weapons being unlockable. Is trash. And the stand is trash. The first unlockable with the extra figure, that figure should have came with everything, especially for $300. I don't know why that's an unlockable figure. Seems like he was part of the team. But yeah, so you got till March. Yeah, what I was saying with the unlockables, the weapons and the stand, that's a trash unlockable for a second tier and a third tier. Like that's wild to me. And that's not gonna get anybody back in it, I don't think. As far as the figure, like I said, y'all can let me know, because I don't know if he was like a natural part of the team, or I don't know where he would come from if he wasn't. And if he was, why is it an unlockable? Now it's tier 1, so if it funds, it'll probably get to that tier. It may unlock all 3 tiers. But my understanding is the tiers should be something that's desirable to make people want to purchase this. You know, this is basically a crowdfund thing, their own little crowdfund. But yeah, I don't know. Some of the HasLab. One thing I will say, I'm glad people are getting this if they want it in their Chug collection. I know there's a lot of people that do want it, and obviously people are backing it. I don't know if I'm gonna back it yet. I may just back it because I know I could probably sell it and get my money's worth. I'm not a scalper. Like, I'm not gonna wild out and try to get crazy amount of money once it's sold out. I would probably, if I do get it, I'm getting it to make videos for the community, and then I'll probably just throw it on eBay and just put it at reserve, like $230 or something like that, and then see where it goes. Now if it rides, you know, that's not me. I did that with a couple other figures, I remember. So I may back it just because of that, because I can get some content out of it and show it to the people that may not have backed it, and then I could just sell it and probably get back my money. between the content and the actual sale. So, but that's neither here nor there. Let me know how you feel about it. You can look at the chart that Brink came up with if you go to the Realm of Collectors Facebook group. So they had the chart in there. Brink posted it. But yeah, let me know how you feel. Just a quick video talking about it. Let me know how you feel. I don't have a dog in this race, to be fair. Just some observations. I did order the last HasLab I backed that I didn't really have any type of connection to. Just backed it to back it, and that might be what happens here. However, I'm not feeling it. Like, I'm not backing it to back it to get the figure and be happy with the figure. I am interested in the character more now. I've seen Iron Factories. I've seen Hades. I think that's what it was called. I don't know if it was TFC or one of the other earlier companies. But I don't know. I don't know what that was, but it looked pretty good. I don't know how well it was as a toy, like what it did, how it combined and transformation, all that stuff. And I'm sure it wasn't big enough. I think with this release, maybe a third-party company might take a run at it, besides a Legends company, maybe a Masterpiece company. But I think that's way off. So if you collect Chug and you really need a Liokaiser, I think I'm saying his name right, then I guess this is it for mainline. I hope everybody that wants it gets it, and I hope it funds for them. But Hasbro's wilding, $300. All right, so thanks for watching.
You know, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.